Good morning, everyone. Well, week 3, day 2 was a short work day because we took my new Chevy Colorado out for a errand run, and we went to Lowe's and we picked up cedar from the cedar mill to build the 8th raised bed. And by the time we got back, I only had time to top off my potatoes in grow bags and plant some more peas. Now, you may have seen in yesterday's video that I was planting peas in gutters. That was my trial run. I saw this on Hugh Richards' channel, absolutely loved it. It's now going to be my way to plant peas. I got 2 gutters done. I asked Justin to pick up 2 more gutters. Well, it's 1 gutter cut in half, and then you have to get the end caps, or at least secure the ends somehow to keep the dirt from falling out. But you can plant very densely, and I'm going to be doing a video just on the process of planting them when I have plants and when they get to be large enough to be put into the beds and grow up. I'm going to do a whole video on peas. Now, this time I soaked the peas, so it's going to be interesting to see the progress of, how fast it went. So now I have a total of 4 5-foot gutters, and I'm so excited to show you the results. What else did we do? Yeah, we got that 8th bed finished, and more soil came, and all the beds got topped off before another rain. So here you go. Here's the next 3 work days of week 3. Wow, you've already used half that?
Yeah. Top that one off.
I see that.
Someone will do the rest.
Well, hopefully it's good soil, since that's all we're really putting in the top 8 inches of any of the beds.
I think it's going to be great, honestly.
Good.
I would use it.
What do you think? Maybe 3 more to fill this one up?
Well, not if we're going to top them off.
It'll be more.
Yeah.
That's right, you have good vision. If it's bending the abdomen towards the flower, it's laying an egg.
Save this a shelf.
I think you're kind of a perfectionist, Justin. Are you?
Yeah. Sometimes.
I'm getting that sense.
I know I have to remind myself that it's not I'm not pouring concrete.
Yeah, it's a raised bed, it's not concrete.
Yeah. But it only takes a little bit longer sometimes.
The number 8 bed went from start to finish in one day. Well, you cut the pieces yesterday, right?
Yeah, I did. The 2x12s.
So is that the bottom layer and then the wood chips go on top of that?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Then we level it out, all that stuff.
Okay.
Thanks so much for watching this channel and liking the videos and sharing them with your friends, and I hope you'll subscribe. I'm doing a whole new thing here on my new Tennessee homestead, and I hope to be an inspiration to everyone. So click that bell, scroll down and hit all so you won't miss a thing right here on my new Tennessee homestead.